Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Rams chain is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for any serious Rams fan, offering a unique blend of team spirit and personal style that can elevate your game day attire or simply showcase your unwavering loyalty. This isn't just any piece of jewelry, it's a statement, a conversation starter, and a tangible connection to the team you love, designed to catch the eye and spark conversations among fellow enthusiasts. Whether you're heading to the stadium, a watch party, or just out and about, a Rams chain adds that extra layer of fandom that truly sets you apart. Number 5. PROSTEEL 316L Stainless Steel Figaro Cuban Chain Necklace. Introducing a timeless piece designed for the modern man. Elevate your look with this meticulously crafted necklace. Experience the durability and elegance of high-quality 316L stainless steel. It's built to last and designed to impress. Choose from classic black or luxurious 18K real gold plating. Find the perfect finish to match your personal style. Available in a range of widths and lengths, from 4mm to 13mm and 14 inches to 30 inches. It's the perfect fit for any occasion. Presented in a stylish box, this necklace makes an ideal gift for yourself or a loved one. It's a statement of sophistication. What we like. This chain offers exceptional durability with its 316L stainless steel construction. It comes in various finishes like black and 18K real gold plating, allowing for personalized style. If you're looking for a versatile chain that can be dressed up or down and want to choose from a wide range of widths and lengths, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Hasn't tarnished and I've worn it for 2 years straight. Perfect size and width. Clasp has even held up too. It still looks like the day I got it. If you can get past that, this is a great buy. It feels very sturdy and still is lustrous in electroplated gold. Number 4. NFL Dog Tag Necklace. Are you a die-hard fan? Show your unwavering support for your favorite NFL team with this officially licensed dog tag necklace. It's the perfect way to wear your team pride every day. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this necklace is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand daily wear, making it a long-lasting symbol of your fandom. Measuring 2.25 inches in length and 1.25 inches in width, the tag makes a statement. It comes with a generous 36-inch ball chain, offering a comfortable and adjustable fit for any fan. This isn't just any necklace, it features an officially licensed design. You can be confident you're getting an authentic piece that truly represents your team. The standout feature is the raised metal team logo imaging. This bold, tactile design adds a premium feel and makes your team's emblem pop with pride. Whether you're heading to the game or just out and about, this accessory is a must-have. It's the ultimate way for any fan to showcase their loyalty and passion. What we like. Show your team pride with this officially licensed NFL dog tag necklace. The substantial tag and long ball chain make a bold statement. If you are a die-hard NFL fan looking for a way to represent your favorite team, this is the perfect accessory for you. What people say. The Rams chain is a high-quality product with a durable design. Its unique interlocking mechanism ensures a secure and reliable connection. The chain's polished finish adds a touch of elegance, making it suitable for various applications. Number 3. U7 Men's Sport Pendant Necklace. Introducing the U7 Men's Sport Pendant Necklace, a stylish accessory for athletes and fans alike. Available in gold, silver, and black, it's designed to complement your active lifestyle. Whether you're a soccer, baseball, or basketball enthusiast, this necklace is the perfect way to show your passion. Its durable stainless steel chain ensures it can keep up with you. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this piece is built to last. The robust chain and pendant are resistant to tarnish, making it ideal for everyday wear. This necklace isn't just for game day. Its hip-hop inspired design and choice of colors make it a versatile addition to any outfit, from gym wear to casual streetwear. Looking for a gift for the athlete in your life? This pendant necklace is a thoughtful and fashionable choice that any sport player would appreciate. It comes with a comfortable 22-inch chain, providing a great fit for most. You can wear it layered or on its own for a subtle yet impactful statement. What we like. This necklace features stylish pendants inspired by popular sports like soccer, football, and basketball. Available in gold, silver, and black finishes, it adds a touch of athletic flair to any outfit. If you're a sports enthusiast or appreciate hip-hop jewelry with a sporty edge, this is a great choice to elevate your gym or street style. What people say. It doesn't turn your neck green. The necklaces are good quality and very cute. They are gold soccer necklaces that are nice, they feels good my neck. They are not loose at all. Their tarnish resistance is good so far. Number 2. U7 Gold Initial Number Necklace. Introducing our stunning initial number necklace, a perfect way to express your unique identity. Choose your favorite letter or number to create a piece that speaks to you. Crafted with 18K gold or silver plating and adorned with sparkling diamond CZ, this pendant offers a luxurious look. It's designed to catch the light and turn heads. Embrace the bold, hip-hop inspired aesthetic with our large letter and number pendants. It's the ultimate accessory for those who love to stand out. Each necklace features a durable and stylish 22-inch wheat chain, customizable to match your pendant perfectly. Wear it your way, every day. Whether you're an athlete or a rapper, this necklace is designed to complement your style. It's the ideal statement piece for any occasion. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This customizable initial necklace is a fantastic choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. Give the gift of personalized style. What we like. Personalize your look with this initial or number pendant necklace, featuring dazzling diamond CZ accents. It's plated in 18K gold or silver for a luxurious feel. If you want a unique piece of jewelry that represents you or your favorite athlete, or if you're looking for a hip-hop style pendant that can be customized, this is the ideal selection. What people say. It has not tarnished. Chain is strong. Aucune décoloration ou oxydation, même exposé à la chaleur et à la sueur. Le bijou est clair et précis et imite très bien le vrai bijou en or et en diamant. The U7CZ initial necklace exudes a cool and trendy hip-hop vibe, perfect for any young, aspiring rapper or music enthusiast. The sparkling CZ stones on the initial pendant and jersey number add a touch of bling that appeals to young minds. Number 1. BMW GNXA 2062 Ram Gooseneck Ball and Safety Chain Kit. Introducing the BMW Gooseneck Ball and Safety Chain Kit, designed specifically for your Ram truck. Experience true versatility with its innovative turnover ball design. When it's time to tow, it provides a robust gooseneck connection for demanding loads. Once you're done, the ball conveniently flips over and stores inside the receiver, leaving your truck bed completely flat and unobstructed. This underbed configuration keeps the hitch completely out of sight. You can now use your entire truck bed for hauling cargo, tools, or equipment without any interference. It's engineered to seamlessly integrate with the OEM puck system hitches already installed in your Ram. This ensures a perfect fit and preserves the original functionality you expect. Crafted with American-made durability and reliability, it's built to withstand demanding work and hauling environments. All components are plated or stainless steel for superior corrosion protection. The safety chain anchors are designed to accommodate standard safety chain hooks, ensuring your trailer is always securely connected. A convenient handle locks the ball in place and makes it easy to carry. What we like. This hitch system offers unparalleled versatility with its retractable gooseneck ball, allowing for a completely level truck bed when not towing. It's designed for seamless integration with Ram's OEM puck system and built with durable, American-made components for reliable performance. If you prioritize maximizing your truck bed's utility for hauling cargo while still needing a robust towing solution, this is the ultimate upgrade for your Ram. What people say. Ball is solid, tall, and easy to take in and out without getting covered in grease. Pull the trigger, lift it by the handle, put it back in the plastic case, replace your bed plug. No mess. Awesome workmanship and quality, as expected with BMW. I like the locking handle on the ball, so don't get grease all over my hands when removing, and with the carry case I don't have to worry about getting grease inside my truck. The quality and design is second to none. Best of all, it's made in the USA. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.